How to create more than one character on Plotagon. Part 1.
I don't know why people will never keep to time.
I'm sorry for coming late.
Please have a sit while we wait for others.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry for keeping you guys waiting.
It's okay, I just arrived too. Please have a sit.
Thank you, pretty. So, what about your wife, Albert? She will be here soon. Mr. VIP. Okay. Let's wait for her and Papa Gandhi. The door's open.
I guess they are here now.
You're welcome, Papa Gandhi. Thank you, Albert. We are really sorry for the lateness of our arrival.
Honestly, pardon us.
You all are welcome. Please have a place to sit. Thank you for watching this short preview on how to add more than one character on a plot. In our part 2 video, I will show you the steps. Please subscribe to my channel. Like and share with your friends.
Sure, I will subscribe to your channel.
Me too. In fact, I'm hitting the button now.